This is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploaded in my channel. Subscribe Infinity Gainer channel. Today we are seeing how to solve bootable issue for a HP laptop. Boot device not found. Hard disk G3F0 error. F2 system diagnosis. Please install an operating system on your hard drive. I am already installed a hard disk, but hard disk there in laptop, but this like error. We check it here. Hard disk cable once refix and check, then new hard disk once here replace and cross verify. First of all hard disk cable, second one new hard disk. Put and turn on your laptop and check once again hard disk detector or not. Okay, now what we do, just power on my laptop, F9, put F9. That time is show boot option menu. No notebook hard drive is detected. Okay, just click enter. Now booted start successfully. This based on issue, two issues. One hard disk cable, another one is hard disk issues. And further latest laptops problems comes under booting device not found also is there.